Hi, hello. How are ya? Welcome to the Chef Kennedy Show. I'm Chef Kennedy, and today I'll show you how to make sweet potato au gratin. Okay, we're gonna start by prepping our veggies. I have 4 medium to large sweet potatoes here. Just gonna start by peeling them and removing any imperfections. Now you can trim off the ends of the sweet potato and use a mandolin or a sharp knife to create thin slices of sweet potato. Be careful of using a mandolin, of course, but do the same thing with 1 leek. Make sure to give your leeks a nice rinse, remove any sand. But now you're ready to go. Onto our bechamel sauce. We're gonna start the sauce with a roux. So you're gonna take a 1/4 cup of vegan butter, melt that down. Then you're gonna add in a 1/4 cup of flour. And you're gonna wanna mix this pretty immediately to prevent any lumps from happening. I personally, whenever I'm making a roux, like to use a flat-sided wooden spatula. This helps to keep everything moving and cooking evenly. With a roux, you really have to babysit it and mix it the entire time so that it doesn't burn. After about 5 to 10 minutes, your roux is gonna smell slightly toasted and have this beautiful tan color. At this point, you could start to add in your liquid. So I'm gonna start with half of my soy milk just to, again, prevent any lumps from happening, get that nice and incorporated before adding the other half. I should also note it's important to use either room temperature or warm soy milk. If you were to add in cold milk to the roux, it will splatter you and possibly burn you, so don't do that. Then I'm gonna add in some more flavors just to add some more character to our sauce. So I have some thyme and bay leaf here. This is optional, but highly recommended. So you could just add that right into your pot with a little bit of salt and pepper, as well as some freshly grated nutmeg. This pairs so well with sweet potatoes and adds that fall feeling to your dish. Bring that up to medium heat, allow it to cook for about 10 minutes until thickened. Make sure to mix frequently. You could remove your herbs and it should be nice and thick. Coat a spoon. You could also test the back of your spoon, run your finger down it, and if it leaves a trail behind, you are good to go. Okay, time to assemble. We're gonna start by taking our bechamel sauce into a baking dish, spreading that out, then adding a layer of sweet potatoes. I like to slightly overlap my sweet potatoes and just place them down into an even layer. Then add in more bechamel sauce, followed by leeks, and then topping that with some vegan parm. Repeat that process until you're almost done with all of your veggies. And then once you're on to your last sweet potato layer, press that down to compress everything. Then add in your final layer of bechamel sauce, spread that out. We're gonna cover tightly with aluminum foil and bake this at 350 for 25 minutes. Now you can remove your foil and we're gonna add in another layer of vegan parm and we're gonna cook this for 25 minutes and broil for 3 until golden, bubbly, and delicious. Okay, so here we have our sweet potato au gratin, and it's time for the taste test. This looks incredible. Let's give it a try. Oh, this is delicious. You definitely need to be making this recipe. It's such a lovely fall dish with the leeks and the sweet potato, that little hint of nutmeg for the warming spice. This is perfect for holiday dinners coming up. Wow, you definitely need to try this. Okay, well, please don't forget to like and subscribe. From my kitchen to yours, Chef Kennedy out.